Everyone thinks the best-selling monitors for photo editing are automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Dell S2725DS. The Dell S2725DS caught my eye with its sleek design and impressive specs, priced at $226.28. If you want stunning visuals and built-in audio for your editing needs, this is worth a serious look. This monitor features a QHD resolution of 2560x1440, which means you'll see 1.77 times more detail than full HD. Plus, it boasts TÜV Rheinland Eye Comfort certification, helping to reduce eye fatigue during long editing sessions. A huge win for anyone spending hours in front of a screen. With integrated dual 5W speakers, you can even enjoy decent sound without needing external speakers. Now, some users have mentioned the color accuracy not being as high as expected for professional editing. Here's the thing though, while it may not satisfy the most demanding colorists, for most hobbyists and semi-professionals, it's more than adequate. This monitor is perfect for you if you're an enthusiast looking for great visuals without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you need top-tier color accuracy for professional-grade work. For the price, it offers solid value. Now, if the integrated speakers in the Dell S2725DS weren't enough for you, the next monitor steps it up with even better visuals. Product number 2, LG 27US500W. Next up is the LG 27US500W, a 27-inch 4K UHD monitor priced at $249.03. If you're serious about photo editing and want to see every detail, this is absolutely worth a look. With 90% DCI-P3 color gamut support, you're going to appreciate the elevated color spectrum when you're editing photos or videos. The ergonomic stand is another bonus, allowing you to adjust the tilt for the best viewing angle during long hours of work. Plus, the on-screen control feature makes multitasking easy by allowing you to split the display with just a few clicks. Now, some reviews pointed out that the color calibration out of the box might not be perfect for professionals. But honestly, many users find that calibrating it to their liking isn't a deal-breaker, especially given the monitor's price and performance. This is perfect for you if you're a creative professional who needs superior clarity and color accuracy. Skip this if you want a monitor that's ready to go out of the box without any adjustments. For the features, it's a fantastic value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who crave connectivity and ease of use. Product number 3, Samsung Viewfinity S7. Coming in hot at $252.82 is the Samsung 27-inch Viewfinity S7. If you want a monitor that blends stunning visuals with a range of connectivity options, this is a must-consider. With a 4K UHD resolution of 3840x2160, this monitor excels in delivering the detail you need for photo editing. It also features multiple ports, including HDMI, DP, and USB connections, so you can easily hook up all your devices. The easy setup stand is a breeze to use, making it convenient to adjust your workspace without hassle. Just push a button. Plus, it's TÜV V certified for eye care, minimizing strain during long sessions. However, some users have reported that the brightness can be a bit uneven across the screen. Here's the thing, if you're working in a well-lit room, this might not be a significant issue, but it's worth noting if you're a perfectionist with lighting. This monitor is perfect for you if you value connectivity and color accuracy. Skip this if you're looking for the absolute highest brightness levels. For the price and features, it's a great deal. Now, if screen size and multitasking are your priorities, pay attention to what's coming next. Product number 4, LG 34U530AW. Next is the LG 34U530AW, a stunning 34-inch ultra-wide monitor priced at $353.96. If you're into multitasking while photo editing, this could be the game changer you need. With nearly borderless design, you get an uninterrupted view that keeps your focus on the work. Plus, it offers USB Type-C connectivity, which simplifies the setup process. Now, some users mention that the color accuracy might not match that of dedicated photo monitors. Here's the thing though, if you're primarily using it for casual editing or multitasking, this will still serve you well without requiring you to switch monitors constantly. This is perfect for you if you love having multiple windows open while working. Skip this if you solely focus on high-end photo editing. Given its size and features, it offers good value for a widescreen experience. Finally, if portability and flexibility are what you're after, the last monitor might just be your best bet. Product number 5, ARZOP A16 Portable Monitor. Rounding off our list is the ARZOP A16 Portable Monitor, priced at an impressive $131.46. If you need a portable solution for photo editing on the go, this one's worth your attention. With a 2560x1600 resolution and a 123% sRGB color coverage, it delivers vibrant visuals in a compact size. Weighing just 1.46 pounds, it's incredibly light, making it perfect for travel. The plug-and-play functionality means you can connect it seamlessly to all your devices, from laptops to gaming consoles without any fuss. However, some users have expressed that the screen size might feel cramped for extensive editing tasks. But honestly, if you're looking for something portable and lightweight, this trade-off is worth it for the convenience it offers. This is perfect for you if you frequently travel and need a secondary display. Skip this if you primarily work from a stationary setup. At this price point, it's a fantastic value for a portable monitor. So there you have it. The Dell S2725DS if you want great visuals on a budget, the LG 27US500W for top-notch color accuracy, Samsung's Viewfinity S7 for connectivity, LG 34U530AW for multitasking, and the ARZOPA portable monitor for on-the-go convenience.